Phil with American Plumb Method, Plumbing and Router Service. Today we are switching out the single handle valve, and we're going to be installing a new valve with the Smitty plate. So we'll see the process and we'll show you how we do it. So we use the template for the Smitty plate to kind of give us the idea of where we need to cut. We'll be using a diamond blade grinder. This is going to grind our hole, clean it out, and we'll extract the existing valve. So right here we have the existing valve. We're going to cut, remove it, and get everything ready for the install. Okay, so we extracted the existing valve. Let's put this up. Okay, so we have the new valve in, and we're going to put the stops on here. We'll be checking for leaks. We'll see how everything's going, and then if everything checked out okay, we'll apply the trim, and then clean it up and be done. We use a fire retardant type Kevlar that doesn't burn. I usually use it when I'm putting flames in a wall. If I could use it, it really works good. So everything checked out okay. Water's on to property. We don't have any leaks. And oops, there's a light. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and finish with the trim plate, get everything on here, clean up this area, and get it all ready for the client. Hi, this is Phil with American Plumb Method, Plumbing and Router Service. So we just finished up installing the client new single handle shower valve. This is with the Moen Smitty plate. And this is the best looking Smitty plate they have out there. I haven't seen one. Maybe Delta makes a decent one. So if you have any shower issues, definitely we're always going to check the water pressure. We applied some silicone caulking to the Smitty plate. We want to make it sealed. We, everything's really lined up really well. So if you run into situation where you don't think you can replace your shower valve, give American Plumb Method a call. Ask for Phil Sands or Mike Condon, 818-462-7124. Thank you. Are you guys still here? Keep going. Done.